So we are back. The iPhone 12 Pro. Now, if you guys missed my last video, I unboxed all of the iPhone 12 colors. I'll throw a link in the description. And by the way, the reason why you guys are seeing this in 1080p instead of 4K is because YouTube is going to take forever to process it in 4K. So I hope you guys understand. But anyway, let's take a look at the iPhone 12 Pro. Now, fun fact, I'm currently using the iPhone 12 to record the overhead. So you guys are seeing the quality of that. And this video isn't color corrected just because I want to move fast with this video. So these are the two colors most popular, the blue and the gold. I know these two colors are very popular. I couldn't get the graphite and silver because it just wasn't available for some odd reason. So let's take a look at the blue, the Pacific Blue. And this is 128 gigabytes. You have the A14 chip, 5G supported, no power adapter. So you guys see the box nice and thin. And yeah, you guys know the drill. Let's just unbox it. Shout out to Flossie Carter. I know he's getting this phone. And let's take a look at this. Open this up. And there we have it. Oh man, look at this blue. You guys see that? The light reflecting on it. You got that frost glass back material, that stainless steelness. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. These are like the Pro. This is going to be my daily driver. I was trying to decide between the gold and the blue, but the blue looks very classy, very subtle. Hold on, let me get my 11 Pro Max. I have that in midnight green. We're going to see the difference. You have your usual stuff, your Type-C to Lightning, your Apple stickers. You have one Apple sticker. You have your SIM ejection tool. And it would have been nice to include the blue stickers to correlate with the iPhone color, whatever color you chose. But yeah, the usual stuff. I'll be right back. Let me get my 11 Pro Max. I actually lost my blue iPhone 12 already. It's here somewhere. But here's the midnight green that we got last year versus the Pacific Blue. I like the blue better than the green, but the green is definitely classy. But they both beautiful colors. Let's power this on for the first time. And I absolutely love this new, candy bar rectangle design. Very similar to the iPhone 5S and the 5 and the 4. But yeah, it's good to get back to that design. You guys want to see something? Bah! It's cracked. So, yes. Let's unbox the gold. All right. So you have everything exactly the same. You have the same box, the black box, but you have the text correlate to the iPhone color that you chose. Let's put that to the side. Let's unbox this. And also, I may give away an iPhone 12. I don't know yet. I don't know how the videos are going to perform. Ooh, this iPhone 12 though. Yeah, this is my color, guys. This is going to be my color. Look at this. Gold, yo. Oh, man. All right. I always wanted a gold iPhone, but I feel like Apple can never get the gold right for me. Like, the gold was first introduced on the iPhone 5S, but I didn't like the white front. I wanted a gold and black phone. And then when the iPhone 6 came out, you had the gold again, but it wasn't, you had the white front. I didn't really like the white front too much. And then we had the 10S, the gold. I had the 10, so I didn't want to upgrade. Now here we are with the gold 12 Pro, and this is gorgeous. Quick little comparison. This is awesome. I have the gold 5S here, and I have the 12 here, and I gotta say, very similar. I know this is kind of beat up and kind of whatever, but this gold right here, I have an outfit just dedicated for this. I'm gonna throw in like a cardigan with some Clarks. Yo, this is beautiful though, man. I'm activating this phone immediately. This is going to be my daily driver until the 12 Pro Max come in. And I'm also going to be getting the 12 mini and comparing it to the older iPhones like the 5 and the 4. But this gold is hot, man. Let's bring in the Pacific Blue. Here they look side by side. And of course, you have the third camera. So you have the telephoto. Unlike the iPhone 12, the standard one, you just have two cameras. But screen size exactly the same exact resolution pretty much. But you do have that LiDAR, which is going to help with your photography and low light and autofocusing. But yeah, man, this gold right here, this is it. Look at that. Way better than the green. It's just more flashier. Just looks more, it screams luxury. And you guys know I love luxury things. And of course, you have your typical iOS. that you all know and love. This is it. It would have been nice to see the corresponding wallpaper. So if you got the gold iPhone 12 Pro, it'll apply it as a wallpaper right now. But unfortunately, that's not the case. Also, in the last video, I forgot to unbox the MagSafe. I really do apologize for that. I'm going to unbox that real quick right now. Charger. You're going to charge your iPhone 12 using 15 watts. I'm actually the first YouTuber to unbox all of the iPhone 12 colors. This is incredible, man. Damn, this is big. This is huge. And look, you guys want to see a magic trick? You guys want to see a magic trick? And it's not going nowhere. Yo, this blue is hot too, but the gold is screaming my name. Yo, this gold is fire. Yo, I'm telling you guys, the gold is the truth. We're actually gonna charge one of these iPhones up right now using the Type-C. I'll be right back. Let me get a brick. Unfortunately, there's no power brick included inside the box. I'll throw a link in the description to this. This is the Anker PowerPort 3 Nano. Since none of these iPhones have the power adapter included inside the box, my good friends at Anker has a compact size power adapter, and it's basically the size of a 5 watt, but you're getting 20 watts on this. So that's incredible. And I want to show you guys that beautiful animation. And the best thing, ooh, look at this. Is it like that for a standard charger too? Let me get a regular lightning cape. Oh, matter of fact, I could just use this. Are we gonna get that same animation? Oh, okay, so standard charging animation for the standard charger, but if you're charging it with MagSafe. All right, first time on YouTube. What if you charge your iPhone like this and you use the wireless charger? Okay, nothing happens. You guys seen it here first. All right, so nothing will happen. I'm not sure if that will mess up the battery or not, but this is an insane charging setup. Showing you guys the side. As you guys can see, the stainless steel will get smudged up very quickly. But this is a phone where you can't rock out with a case. You gotta enjoy the beauty of the iPhone 12 Pro stainless steel. And I can stand these up. It's floating right now. And yeah, you have that 5G on the side. That's what this is, in case you guys don't know. You have your side button, your power button, and on the bottom, you have your speaker grills, which is not symmetrical. I wish Apple would have went back to the symmetry, but unfortunately, you don't have that here. You have your lightning. I wish we could see Type-C. So yeah, let me know down in the comments down below, what color would you guys pick? The gold or the blue? In my opinion, 100% gold. The gold, Apple definitely got the gold perfect this year. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to win an iPhone 12, make sure you guys subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and comment, man. Let's push this video out. I'm just trying to grow my business. I'm trying to make it, man. And I want to give back to you guys, but I gotta have some kind of balance. You get what I'm saying? And yeah, thank you guys. I see all the tweets, I see all the comments, and I appreciate it. All right, that's a cut. That's a wrap. And also, subscribe. I'm going to be making a lot of iPhone 12 videos, and you guys don't want to miss it.